Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll understand how we can control the creation of boundary layer clustering using the schedule file. In this sample topology, we have assigned the first cell height to the casing body in the surface settings. Check out our video to know more about surface settings. In previous videos, we modified the default schedule file to change sweep counts and add grid quality checks. You can revisit those here. Today, we will create a new schedule file from scratch to demonstrate clustering controls. We will continue building on this schedule file in our upcoming videos to show more controls over the grid generation. In this schedule file, we have basic parameters which are required to run the grid smoother, that is, number of steps, number of sweeps per step, and grid file name. I have saved the new schedule file as topology.sch. Now let's run the grid smoother using grid space topology.fra in the command line which uses our new schedule file. Now let's load the grid in the GUI. We can see that the grid is an Euler grid without any boundary layer resolution. To apply boundary layer resolution based on the first cell height in surface settings, we will add a clustering parameter to the schedule file. The parameter is defined by the flag -c space surf_list space d1 space d2, where surf_list is either a surface label or a surface range bounded by two numbers that represent two surface IDs. d1 scales the specified force cell height, that is, specified height multiplied by d1, and d2 defines the cell growth ratio. Let's add this to schedule file as -c space all space 1 space 1.2. Here, all refers to all surfaces with clustering parameters, the first cell height scaled by 1, and a growth ratio of 1.2. The terminal confirms that CLU executes on the grid after every 100 sweeps, which creates boundary layer clustering. Upon loading the grid in the UI, we can see the boundary layer is created on the casing body surface with the first cell height of 0.0001 on surface ID 3. This way, you can control the boundary layer resolution while the grid is run via command line by adding the parameter in the schedule file. We hope this video helps you understand the boundary layer clustering control via schedule file. For more such controls, you can refer to the Appendix A of Reference Manual for TIL Programming. Thanks for watching.